Hello, welcome to Persian with Mahtab. This is our new session. Today's lesson is P sound. P sound is the pronunciation of this alphabet is exactly like the P in English. We have a consonant here, P, the first, P اول, and P the last, P آخر. This P comes at the beginning of the word and in the middle, but this P آخر, is comes always at the end of the word. Look at how I write P and where it connects to the previous and the next. P sound, that beautiful curve, exactly like B that we have seen, this beautiful curve, but 3 dots below. P اول comes always at the beginning or in the middle. When it comes in the middle, so this P takes the previous sounds and the next. For instance, when it is connected to the previous sound, look at here. This is in the middle position, but this P comes always at the end of the word. It connects to the previous sound, but not the next. That's why we say P آخر, P the last. Look at here. This word in Persian is pa. Pa. You see? P sound in the middle position. Pa. Pa is foot. Pa. You see? P اول in the beginning. Now look at here. آشپز. آشپز means chef, cook. آشپز, you see, آش, آشپز. As you see, P is in the middle. آشپز. Now the word lamp, exactly the loan word from English. Look at how I write lamp. P آخر is in the final, at the end of the word. P آخر, and in the word soup. Soup. P آخر. P the last. Here P is in the final but is connected to me. But here P is lonely at the end of the word and is independent, come at the end in the word soup. Soup. Now let's go to our table of friendship to see how we connect P sound with our vowel sounds and make new words. This is our table of friendship and we have learned P اول, P آخر. Now we want to connect P to the vowel sound we have learned and to see how we connect and what word we have learned. Here we have P اول, P آخر. We connect P only with this A because this A is A at the beginning, A اول. So, you see, P A. P A. P A will be Pa. P A will be pa. Pa will be pa. Pa in Persian is foot, here. And if we connect pe to a, then we have pa. Pa, we have the word آشپز. آشپز. You see, pe in the middle. Pa, آشپز. And if we connect pe to e, then two forms we have. We have pe and e vasat. You see? We have p. And we connect this p sound to this e, then we have this form. P to P, one by pe in the middle and pe the last. Look at here. This p we have in the word peep. Do you remember spinach cartoon? Peep is pipe. And this P in the word copy. Look at here. This P we have in the word copy. Now, let's give you your homework. One line. پ اول پ آخر. Beautiful curve, 3 beautiful dots below. پ اول پ آخر. Continue to the end and the word you know the alphabets. Right? Pa. Right? Pa. And one line. Right? Peep. Pe. E. Pe. Peep. First write the whole word, then put the dots. It's very important. Look at how I connect one teeth for pe, one teeth for e, and one teeth for pe. And then the dots. Peep. Peep. And the last. As I told you before, read aloud with yourself when you are writing your homework. And you have learned pa. Now write pop. Pop is pop. Pop. And also pop music. Exactly the Persian. موسیقی pop. Pop. And continue to the end. Good luck. See you in the next video.